Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. I'm here with Jordan. We're going to be checking out this $40 effects processor. Go for it. We'll be right back. We are now reviewing this PockRock device. It's $40 on Amazon. And I will have a link in the description below to purchase this amazing device. My buddy Jordan is playing.
Let me make it a tiny bit louder so you can hear it.
Well,
I'm playing late at night, so I can't.
Yeah. Can you add more grunge to it so you can do the other?
This is maximum gain, but just
really.
Now keep in mind, this is a Fender Telecaster. This isn't made for this, but just to show you.
Yeah, right.
It's not made for this, but just to
Yeah.
show you that. But I don't use that setting. I turn it on nice and clean.
Yeah, but that sounds so amazing.
Right.
So would you recommend this for a guitarist on a budget? A guitarist who wants some sound effects?
So I have a lot of buddies my age who talk about like how tubes are the most amazing thing in the world, and you can't really do anything that sounds good without tubes and tubes and tubes.
Tubes and tubes.
My opinion is, I mean, this sounds great.
So what kind of guitar is this, Jordan?
Well, this is a standard Fender Telecaster, which is the most versatile guitar, really, in my opinion, ever made. But this $40 little thing, it's amazing.
How's the drum machine on this thing? Does it have one or no?
Yeah, the drum machine isn't really what this thing is all about.
Really?
But what's amazing about this
Drum
thing
value?
this thing can just do kind of any sound if you're willing to learn. Like, I'll put a tiny little bit of crunch on it, even though I don't like playing with too much crunch. But just to show you,
That's amazing. I can't believe it how awesome that sounds.
that's I mean, I like it clean.
Right.
But, you know, if you want to play so the thing about this thing that's really cool.
So then what are all these different...
It's $40.
So I know, this is volume, right? What is this button? What does this knob do?
This knob does every knob does a lot. So let's say you want a little bit of chorus. Now keep in mind when you're...
This is like a flange.
Well, it's maybe. I think it's more like a chorus effect.
Okay.
I don't know exactly. You know, let's say you were playing with a band and you wanted to just get this... Right? You want a little something on it. If you don't... it won't, you know, I mean...
So it adds the wah-wah to it, like you said, like the flange.
Well, I call it maybe a little chorus. It just gives I mean, you wouldn't solo with this. But,
right.
You know, you want to just sort of...
So, and that's just move that ever so slightly. If I moved it more, what would happen?
Move it.
Oh.
Now, that would have a use, you know, for like, you know...
I'm going to crank it all the way up.
Yeah, I mean, it could have a use. It wouldn't have a use for me, but it could have a use.
Play something.
So
People can hear what it sounds like. That's maxed out. Yeah. That sounded pretty neat, though. That's pretty wild because that's like a wah 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 wah. It's like a wobbling speaker sound effect.
Yeah, I mean, you could maybe have a use for it.
Like James Bond.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that you wouldn't have a use for.
Well, you could. I mean, I'm sure there's a use for it.
But that sounded cool.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Okay, let's bring that back down to normal. So that's flat. And then this is gain, so we don't touch that, right? That's volume.
Well, that won't, on a clean sound, this will have no effect. But if you move this knob just one little thing over,
right,
this puts a little bit of crunch on it.
Okay. Wow.
Now, if you turn this gain knob down a little bit, which is what I would do because I don't like too much distortion.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So the gain is with all the effects, right?
Yeah, but I mean, at this one, I could put a tiny bit on.
Changes everything. So this is a versatile sound module that could pretty much change your guitar sound to everything.
This for $40 has now turned into my favorite little
really
thing.
What's the power plant? What does it use?
It uses two 1.5 volt batteries, and it's made in China. So President Trump, please make nice with China so we can continue getting products like this.
What's that mean? Low battery?
Yeah, I think
LB?
it's low battery. Yeah.
Oh wow. What do these other things do? Tone? Let's see.
Yeah, I play a Telecaster, so I like my tone pretty.
I just want to hear what it sounds like. Oh, okay. So it's like bass and treble.
Yeah.
So they had treble, and then we have, which we already played with, and then, oh yeah, Casio.
Yeah, that's not really my.
Yeah, see, you wouldn't be using it for the drum machine, that's for sure.
Right.
Anyway, but this seems like a pretty cool device.
It's my favorite little.
And what other inputs do we have here? Let's see, we have DC power in.
But again, I prefer it.
Volume? Oh, there's a volume here too. Volume here. And then there's cab sim. What the heck is that? On off. There's a switch right there.
Yeah, cab stands for cabinet. So the idea is, I always leave it on. Like it simulates playing through, like, I don't know, some kind of maybe a Marshall bottom or something.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Like, I mean, the thing is, it sounds really good, and it doesn't have a single tube in it. And you know what? I really don't care, because if it sounds good, like, what difference does it make whether it has a tube?
Right. That's impressive.
Tiny little bit.
So you have input and output, and that's pretty much it. Your input is here, your output is there.
Yeah, let me lower this a little bit because it is after 10 and I do have neighbors. But, just so let me turn this one. So, you know, there are no tubes in this, but I'll put a little reverb on it.
Not bad for solid state, if you think about it. That's impressive. And you have a lot of passion, so...
You can get all that stuff, but I mean, this is a Telecaster.